CapCut app is not spawning, so hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can fix that if CapCut app is not opening and it's not working. So it was very easy. I will tell you 3 methods that will definitely fix that. The first method was you will simply hold on CapCut app. After that you guys will see app info and start. Simply click on app info. Once you click on app info you guys will see data usage, storage usage, so simply click on storage usage. Here you guys will see clear data, clear cache, so simply click on clear cache. After that, go to CapCut and it will work. If it didn't work, the next thing you guys will do simply click again on CapCut app, hold it. Here you guys will click again on app info. Now storage usage. Here you guys will click on clear data. Once you click on clear data and clearing data. The second thing you guys will do, go to Play Store or App Store in your mobile. Here search for CapCut. So I will simply search for CapCut. Once you search for CapCut, you will click on that. Now I have already updated latest version, but anywhere to us it will say update. So simply click on update. Once you guys click on update, and after updating simply open CapCut, it will work. That's how you guys can fix that. Thanks for watching.